Hey folks, I'm back for another video. This one's a short and sweet one. I've created another channel called Cool Breeze Restorations. Yes, Cool Breeze Restorations. And it's going to be pretty much all about me fixing anything with a engine or a motor. I really enjoy doing that kind of stuff, and they do pretty well on YouTube. So if you will, look it up. There's only one video on there right now, but there will soon be a few more about my Riker, my Can-Am Riker. So anyhow, if you feel like it, go over and check that out, and if you like it, subscribe. I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you on the next video.